Okay, good evening. My name is Pierluigi Stella. I am CTO of NetworkBox USA. We are a fully managed UTM solution delivering enterprise class protection to the small and medium business since 2003. And I'm here to introduce a new product that is revolutionary, in our opinion, in the fight against malware. The name of the product is Zscan. We start from the problem that the number of new malware per day that we are seeing in the wild is so high that it is impossible to keep up with the traditional method of signatures. NetworkBox is taking a new approach by fingerprinting the malware in real time. We have created a very extensive network of spam traps around the globe, and even though the concept is not new, the way we are actually using it is new. Because when one of these emails gets trapped in one of our systems, after we scan it with our extensive set of 8 million signatures, if we don't find anything relevant in it, and we realize there is actually more than just the text inside it, our approach is very simple. Take no prisoners. We declare it as malware Zscan. The reason is there is no reason why those traps should receive emails in the first place anyway. Key to this approach is the fact that we manage our devices, and therefore we receive real-time updates from them and real-time feedback. So instead of creating signatures, we are creating fingerprints. We distribute them in real time to our SOCs, 12 SOCs globally, and within 3 seconds, all the boxes, all the devices we manage are able to stop in real time new malware not seen before. We do not classify or categorize it. We don't even know what type of malware it is. And actually, we don't care because we are not in the business of categorizing malware. We want to stop it before it infiltrates our customers' networks. And the success of this product so far has been amazing. Thank you very much for your time.